Hello dear Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of July 23rd, 2021. So let's begin shuffling. Oops, there are 3 cards. I can't pick them. Okay, Angel of Well-being. One more time, please. You have an angel with you. I just need one more angel for you. So many cards which are trying to come for you actually. Which one should I pick? The one that I can't see, maybe. Okay. Maybe I'll pick this one. The Angel of Telepathy. Just got this card in somebody else's reading also. Okay, so the Angel of Well-being and the Angel of Telepathy. So definitely I feel that you guys feel that people don't listen to you properly, or they are not understanding what you're trying to say. They don't believe in you and stuff like that. So that's why the Angel of Telepathy and Well-being is there for you. Let's see what the Angel of Telepathy has to say for you first. It says, do people listen when you speak? Maybe they're on their phones, maybe you're conducting a meeting. Do you feel like you're not being heard? Maybe they're not paying attention to you, maybe you're not interesting enough, maybe you're not able to communicate properly. That's the problem. You think that you're not interesting enough, but maybe the problem is that you're not communicating yourself properly, It says, know exactly what you wish to communicate. Maybe you are going and telling them the story of whatever is happening, otherwise your point is A. Instead of saying A, you're saying B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, A. Obviously, people will lose interest, right? So know exactly what you wish to communicate. Use telepathy to convey your message through visualization and imagination. Send mental pictures as you speak, heart to heart and mind to mind. So definitely there is some problem in your communication. That's why the people are not able to understand what you're saying. They don't get your ideas. So think of an idea in your mind, the complete picture of a product, for example, if you're trying to sell, and start sending those pictures in people's minds so that they know exactly what kind of product you're talking about. It will be easy for them to understand what you're trying to say, instead of just superficially going round and round and round and not coming to the point and not being able to communicate properly. In case you're still finding it difficult to communicate your thoughts and feelings to other people, whether that's in your personal life, in your professional life, there are some positive affirmation that you can start speaking today. It says, when I speak, people listen and understand what I'm expressing. I communicate from my heart to the hearts of others. I easily visualize and send mental pictures of my ideas, visions, opinions, and other matters of importance as I speak. So yes, communicate from heart to heart. Now, the Angel of Well-being. It's asking you, are you feeling depressed? Do you have the mood swings? Of course, when you think that people don't care, they don't listen to you, they don't understand you, then you feel depressed. You think that nobody understands you. Nobody wants to understand you. Nobody wants to listen to you. That's why you're feeling depressed. It's saying it is time to restore well-being. A joyful outlook on life can be yours. Take the necessary steps to shift your focus from that which troubles you to that which brings you joy. So in case you're feeling that nobody is listening to you, first the Angel of Telepathy has already told you that you need to communicate properly, and how you need to communicate is from heart to heart. In case you're still feeling depressed around this time, then you have to shift your focus from the things that are not giving you happiness to the things that will give you happiness. Okay? And in case you're still finding it difficult to find the joy in your life, and if you still feel depressed, speak these positive affirmations from the Angel of Well-being. Start speaking them today until the full moon to reap the maximum benefits. It says, I consistently maintain a balanced and joyful outlook in life. I am so grateful for an inner sense of well-being. I easily center my attention on the people, places, and things that bring me happiness. Okay? If you feel that somebody is not able to understand you, maybe shift your focus from them. Try telepathing with another person, and if they understand you, connect with you, then focus on them instead of people who are not focusing on you. Okay? So I think this will help you say these positive affirmation to get the maximum benefits out of it. I hope you guys like this reading. Take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.